So guys, we have got this saddle bag from Ziploc. I bought it from Amazon. They costed me somewhere around 2,500 rupees. So they really fit well on the R15 version 3. When I asked them about the capacity in terms of liter, they said it is 43 liters. They are also expandable. As you see, there's a chain here. They look pretty decent. I had a ride of somewhere around 670 kilometers with these bags on, and they did not disappoint me in any way. The quality of these bags is really good. The zips are not from YKK, but they are still of good quality. They come with this particular material here, which is some kind of a plastic lamination, which helps you and protects your vehicle from getting scratched. That is one. Second, due to this entire design of the R15's tail, it is difficult for normal saddlebags to directly mount on them, which is why this portion comes handy, and it folds, the flap folds over it and makes it a decent fit. It is pretty decent to mount these bags on. It comes with Velcro. I have additionally added this strip of Velcro. When you buy it online, you generally get only this part of it. I just went to a guy who had a sewing machine and I asked him to add an extra Velcro strip here so that the fit is sturdy. This is something that I broke. I tried to lift these bags up with only one strap and it came off. However, when I tried to lift this bag with all these straps together, it was pretty strong and it held the weight really well. So you have one strap here, which is again a Velcro strap. Another here. There is a joint strap here. I have tied it. So this is how the strap is like. This comes as an additional piece. This is a pretty tight fit here. You guys can see it. It's done. Then this is extra strap, you can tie it around. This is one. On the rear end, there is one strap here. Focus the camera. Yeah. This is another strap. It goes from the bottom. And then your bags are mounted. A little bit of movement is necessary because there are high chances. A friend of mine had a KTM RC390. The panels came off because the bags were too tight. So it is necessary that there is a little bit of movement when they have weight inside. Let's check the space inside these backpacks. This is how big they are. You can see there's a 1 liter bottle already sitting inside the bags. These are not waterproof. You will have to have an additional cover onto these bags to make them waterproof. Again, this one is expanded. The right one is not. Even though expanded, it doesn't look that big. They're 43 liters again. The right one is expanded, the left one is not. The pillion can easily sit on the rear seat of the R15 with these bags on. The foot pegs are also accessible, as you see. I did a ride of around 700 kilometers and the pillion was pretty comfortable throughout the ride. The bags did not bother at all. I was riding the motorcycle full of highways and ghat sections. That being said, I also did quite a lot of cornering with the saddles on, and initially it took me a while to get used to these bags, some 10-15 odd kilometers, because the weight was unevenly distributed on or in the bags. So it took me a while to get used to the little wobbling around on uneven patches, but somehow after a while I got used to it and the ride was pretty amazing. Why did I get it? Well, people who own an R15 will definitely understand it is pretty difficult to ride the motorcycle with a pillion, with backpacks fully loaded, which is why I think it is a must-have for everybody who owns an R15 and goes for long rides. Yeah, so that's about it. These are the bags. I have posted the link of these bags in the description from Amazon. They costed me for 2,500 rupees. These are 43 liters non-waterproof backpacks from Ziploc. If you have any questions regarding these backpacks, you can comment it down below, or else you can DM me on my Instagram account. Thanks a lot, guys. You have an amazing day.